This is cervical extension using a prone to supine rolling strategy. So we're going to get down onto our stomachs. We're going to drive this motion with our eyes and our head. It's really easy to cheat and use the rest of our body, but I want you to think the lower half of your body is not able to move. So the eyes, the head, and then whatever arm you're using, pending which way you're rolling, is going to determine the actual movement of this exercise. So we're here. I want you to drive up with the eyes, drive up with the head, and then we're going to come back with the arm as we roll on through. I'll show you one more time. Drive up with the eyes, up with the head, and then from here, bring that arm as we come on through.